My name is Barbara Treflin, and I'm 71. I can't believe I even am there. And I live in Orillia right now, Ontario. And I found Dr. Wolfe last Sunday only. My friend brought me to his talk in Orillia, in Barrie, sorry, in Barrie, and I listened to him, and my friend and I joined right away. I've been taking courses for years from 2003 on, and everything that I've taken, he has incorporated. His beliefs are my beliefs, and that's how I found Dr. Wolfe. I just found him Sunday, and this is Thursday, so I've only known of him in those few days. I'm not physically showing anything, but I'm obviously mentally have issues in my tissues because I am overweight. And that's the main thing. I've been trying to get rid of this weight and I can't. I've tried everything and it's obviously emotional, which I know now for sure it is because I've taken the course. I've been working on my personal healing since 2003 after my husband passed away. And I've been, like I said, I've been taking courses. I've been to California, I've been to Peru, I've been to Hawaii, I've done Reiki, I've done massage, I've done reflexology, I've done to reduce my weight, all of those things out there except Dr. Bernstein. So I have come to a point in my life I thought I was just going to get old and die. And I found Dr. Wolfe. Before the course, I ate horribly. I loved McDonald's, as you can tell, Burger King, pizza. I love to eat. And during COVID-19, when we were quarantined, I just got back into those potato chips and Coca-Cola and all that really, really bad food. And I just couldn't get out of my head not to eat. It was all I thought about. Now that I've started the course, I don't eat any of that. All of my food is raw. It's all organic. I'm on structured water. I'm drinking water, so much water. For the weight I am, I have to drink so much water, and I've already lost 5 pounds in 9 days. And I'm feeling so good. I've had so much energy. Prior to this course, I used to lay on the couch and watch TV all the time, except when I had clients. And I just, like I said, I just thought my life was going to be over. I haven't had any aha moments. However, the book that we received during the course to me is like a Bible. He has put all of the things that we need to heal and all the courses that I've taken and not taken into one book. It's just, like I said, it's almost orgasmic that this book is the best thing since sliced bread, as we say. And I just think it's amazing. And from now, and then when I finish in 9 months, or not when I finish, but in 9 months, I will not look like anything on this video. I'm opening up a business with my friend who brought me to the talk that Dr. Wolfe gave me. We're opening up our business. My goals, like I said, is to reduce weight. I'm going to be more abundant than I have ever been, and sky's the limit. Anybody who has been in my state of inflammation needs to go to Dr. Wolfe's course. It's going to save your life. And down the road, if you don't, you're going to be in the hospital and you're going to be unwell. You really, really are. You have to change your habits, your thinking, your eating, everything. I do love myself more since I've taken Dr. Wolfe's course, and I feel so blessed that I have found this information and I'm utilizing it. And I do love myself more. And I will love myself even more every day because you will see the change in me. You know, everything is your imagination. Everything is your imagination. If you imagine that you can be something, do something, have something, you will achieve it. You will achieve it. Go for it no matter what. No matter what. You are love. And you are loved.